Hello everybody, my name is Grady Austin with Max Cases, and we are mid-summer, end of summer. We wanted to get an update on some new products. This is our work-in case called the Explorer Bag 5. So we call it EB5. Actually, we call it EB5P, which represents the pocket. So we made a couple changes. It's still as good as it ever was, but I wanted to walk people through not only the installation and the uninstallation, but kind of key features of the bag itself. So it's a work-in bag, which means it's always in. What we do here is that this is going to serve as an always-on protection for the computer. Once we get the device in, this pulley system on the side is going to kind of clip on the side of the screens, which I'll show that in a second here. And you're going to see it attached there, so that's going to hold the device in. The bottom, the keyboard side here, is going to sit here, and the corners of the device are going to tuck underneath these straps here to also hold it in. If there was any heat, it was able to dissipate off either side, which is really key. This is the bottom of the device. This is underneath the keyboard here. ID pocket for a student ID is here. ID pocket comes in from the inside. So just insert the ID or the ID card in here, and then once the machine's in, now to get that, to remove that from the window, you'd have to physically take the machine all the way out, get in here to get that out. But lastly, and I'll show both of these, this is an additional safety strap. Again, it's optional. It's an additional feature that holds in the device to make sure that it's not going to fall out. So let me show it to you. I'll show it to you with that to start. So it's a super easy installation. If we're going to use the seatbelt strap, what you need to do is to take the device, and first it needs to go underneath the strap there. It's going to go all the way up to the hinge there, and now we're inside the bag there. So we're going to move this up. We can take the straps on the bottom. We're going to go around the keyboard there and there. And now we've got the bottom is set. There it is. And we're going to go up with the top. And again, these pulley system here, we're going to spread it out, and we're going to snap one on one side and one on the other. And now we can see that when we open the bag, or if we close the bag, it's going to close the device. We open the bag, it's going to open the device. So again, we've got secure features here. We've got the seat belt here in the middle holding this together, and we've got the two straps on the bottom. What's nice here is that if we were to take, now that we have all 3 points that are connected, we're not going to lose the device, right? Obviously a student shouldn't be treating their device like that, but the idea is that even if they do, I guess we could go through the uninstall. Uninstall, same thing. I usually take the pulleys off first. That's going to free that up. Remove these straps here, and then on the bottom, we're going to get this undone here, and we're going to slide the device out. And again, using this seat belt center strap here is optional. It's going to function just fine if we put the straps on like this, which is great. Again, good solution for something that is always on, going to stay on the machine at all times, always be protecting the device. That's the real benefit of the EB5. Any questions, visit maxcases.com. All this information is going to be on social, going to be on YouTube. It's also going to be videos on our website. But if you have any questions, want to get any answers, want to request a sample, take a look, have a couple free demo units sent out to you, just visit our website, make a phone call, send an email through the website. Someone will get right back to you, and we'll get you some demos, some samples. But again, I'm Grady. Check out maxcases.com. We've got a lot of good stuff to protect machines, protect tablets, devices, Chromebooks, etc. Happy to help any way we can. Thanks for listening.